Here we are with the Murphy DS602. Remember, these always hum on transmits, especially as a base station. If you're using it in a car, should be absolutely fine. We can always demonstrate that for anybody who thinks they're going to want to buy one. These are also identical to the York JCB867. So if you think you really love Yorks, these are nothing like. They're cheap set from Korea. Not everything from Korea is cheap, of course, but these are particular ones were, and they're nothing like. The switches are different. On the JCB867 you get channel 9 switch on the left and high-low power on the right, and it's the opposite way around on the Murphy. There's also a variety of sockets, and some of the sets, the Murphys usually use a Uniden type connector, which we supply, and the York 867 uses the same as the LCL communicator NI440DX, which we also supply. So, funny squelch operation and hum on transmit when used as a base station. There's your things. Whoops. I'll just see if it's squawking on channel 19. It is. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
I'll just plug my extension speaker in.
Yep, roger that.
These were custom made for Great Universal mail order catalogue and then dumped on the market about 84. So when they were at Great Universal, £69.99. When they were dumped on the market, they were 25 quid. Tango 21 now ready.
Yep, roger that, off we go.
Roger. Excellent audio on receive.
Well, obviously you know these buzz, but the buzz got worse after you plugged the extension speaker in.
Now that's interesting, isn't it? Because that tells us it's coming in, the RF's coming back into the set that way.
Yep, roger that.
Well, for this test we'll unplug the extension speaker.
Roger, right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. We're now not plugged into the extension speaker. Of course, it's going to be much worse for you at such close range when you're only 20 yards away.
Yep, roger that. Actually, it doesn't actually seem that much different. So you plug the speaker back in.
Tell you what, we don't put on the video this part of yours side of the video. So what I'll do is, when you get to the end of the thing, when you call through at the petrol station, I'll then plug the extension speaker back in, and then we'll call through at Ancaster, and people can tell the difference then.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're at the end of the line.
Roger, got you the end of the line.
Service station 136.9 and 139.9.
Are we lucky? We must be early.
Roger that. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, are you going through Ancaster Crossroads? I'll plug the extension speaker back in.
Yeah, it does sound worse.
Okay, Okay, that's clinched that one then. We'll unplug it now. There we are, and as I was talking, I unplugged it.
Roger that.
It's important for people to note that these sets haven't gone faulty. They haven't suddenly started humming after 40 years. They were made like this and they've always done this.
Yep, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Well, you got your loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. And that's
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. And as you know on
a Murphy DS602 from 1982, and I'm on the standard replacement mic. The radio is doing 3.7 watts, over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger, got you going over Wilford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you loud and clear the 5 mile point. On this Murphy DS602 from 1982, doing 3.7 watts, drawing 910 milliamps. We'll pop it onto low power and it's set for 400 milliwatts. So here we go, 5432 watts, there we are on 400 milliwatts. The radio can be humming now, and it's now drawing 500 milliamps. And then we go back to full power, and there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that. No problems on full power, no problems on low power, because no hum.
Exactly, there you are, that's getting back in. Off you go when you're ready.
Yeah, roger that. 10, not 10, we haven't done yet.
Not quite.
Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger, I got you on the move.
Roger. Right, we're not quite square wheel, but very slow for some reason.
Oh, roger, roger.
I think the train's just been, there must have been a queue. We're on the move again anyway.
10-4, good budgie.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
That end today, please, over.
Yes, it's changed here. It's 137.9 and 141.7.
Does that mean it's gone up?
Yes, it has.
80 watts is for Christmas. Okay, that works fine from my end. Thank you, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that. For what it's worth, it worked okay this way. 10-10.
Yep.
21 from Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end today, please, over?
It's changed here. It's 137.9 and 141.7.
Does that mean it's gone up?
Yes, it has.
Cheeky watts, it's for Christmas. Okay, that worked fine from my end. Thank you, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that. For it's worth it worked okay this way. 10-10.
10-10. Right, so of course that worked really well. So the sensitivity on this, it's not like your Cybernets at 0.2 microvolts when you get a good one. This is 0.7 microvolts, but it's not as insensitive as a Uniden, which is often 0.9 or even 1 microvolt, or some of these new sets which are 2 microvolts. But it works fine. But it won't work fine if you live in a city and there's a lot of usage, because the squelch will be inadequate. And the other thing is, if you use it as a base station, we're using this on a general purpose power supply. This building is fed from an 11,000 volt transformer 20 feet away. That's one of the problems. So if you don't have that, then you don't have the hum. You don't get it in the car unless things are unusual. Right, we're going to try it with the factory original mic into our base station. So that's the factory original mic, and we're currently using the standard replacement coffin mic. So I'll call through on both and we'll do it in the different powers. And this is why I say I'm doing this as a hum test, because when there's RF getting back into the set, that's what the hum test is going to show.
Tango 21 testing the Murphy DS602 on our standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it on low power for the home test. There we are on low power, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to full power, there we are back we'll just swap mics with the factory original. Tango 21 on the factory original mic, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it onto low power. There we are on low power as a home test. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to full power. And there we are back on full power. So thank you for watching the Murphy DS602 from 1982.